Hey everybody, I'm normally talking about real estate, but today I'm talking about something else that's dear to my heart. Most of you all who know me know that my background is actually in automotive. I've actually been working on cars since like 7th, 8th grade. But I got a BMW X6. It's an '09. I've had the car for like a little over 7 years. The motor got a slight knock in it, but what I'm thinking about doing to it is putting a LS motor in it. I'd like to know what you think. Uh, as you can see, uh, the engine bay is big enough for me to put an 8-cylinder in, and I'm thinking about the LS because I'm looking for horsepower. Uh, this X6 has the 3.5, which is an inline six, uh, which there's plenty of room for me to actually put the 8-cylinder in here. So, uh, but the LS, I know Chevy has problems with their motors, as well as BMW has problems with their motors. Mostly BMW problems is the oil leaks and chain rattling. Right now, this is basically doing a walk around it so you can see it, but mostly what BMW problem is that it chains get stretched for the timing chain. The oil leaks. uh, One of the places that's big on the 8 cylinders where it leak out of is where the turbos tie in for the oil. So that is an issue. I know Chevy motors, they long drive, they don't hold up well. So I love Chevys, but like the V8 Chevys. But let me know what you think. Comment below. Tell me if I should put the LS in or go with the M series, the 8-cylinder M BMW motor. Like to hear your comments. Hey, don't forget, comment below. Tell me what you think. Look forward to reading your comments and responding to your comments. Thank you. Have a good day.